Special greetings to my dear students. This is a new book of 6th class, Cyberbrains. In this content, first chapter is a computational thinking, second is a computer language. Already we learned about computer language. So here, new chapter they given computational thinking. So we are going to learn about computational thinking. So let's see. This is our first chapter, computational thinking. Here we are going to learn about computational thinking, components of computational thinking, analysis, decomposition, pattern recognition, abstraction, algorithm, applying reasoning to make decisions. Importance of computational thinking. So this all are the things we are going to cover in this first chapter. Here, if you see the first paragraph, from here to here, they give an example. This example we can see. See here, computational thinking. Actually, what you are having idea about computational thinking? Students, just to see here, computational thinking is a thought process that teaches how to solve complex real world problem in such a way that a human effectively carry this out. Actually, computational thinking means solving a complex problem. Means if you are having any problem, if any problem is there, how we are going to solve? How many ways are there? In that ways, which way will be very easier to solve that particular problem? This identifying this manner is called computational thinking. Here they given an example. Aryan is a 6th class student. Okay, here they give an example of Aryan is a 6th class. So in his colony they cutted all the trees. Okay, means they cutted around 1,000 trees. Now he want to plant 2,000 trees. Okay, which need number of seedling. Actually, what is meant by seedling? Seedling means a small plant. Seedling means it is not a seed, it is a plant. Means when plant is coming out of the seed after 1 month, 2 month plant or 3 month plant. Okay, so he want to 2,000 number of, he want to plant 2,000 number of trees. So he need a seedling and he is not having that much money. So now just you imagine, now you are Aryan, you are in that particular place, you want to plant 1,000 trees, sorry 2,000 trees, and you are not having seedling. So how you will rectify this problem? This is called computational thinking. Now let's see how Aryan rectified that particular problem. What problems he is having and how he rectified this problem. Okay, let's see. After consulting with some conservation expert and online research, he done online research, gathered information about seedling. He grown a small plants in his home with a lesser cost. He waited for few days after. When plants came out, okay, in a massive task, he started to planting 1,000 new trees. So do you understand what are the problems he had? How he rectified this problem? This is called computational thinking. How many ways are there? How he gathered? This all called computational thinking. So let's see. It is a fundamental skill for everyone, not just a computer scientist. Okay, it involves solving problem by following the concept necessarily. Means this all are the ways to solve a problem, how computer is solving each problem. Whenever we are giving instruction, whenever we are creating any software, if any artificial intelligent robots we are making, how computer is going to solve that particular problem. These are the five important key components. First one, analyze. First, we have to analyze. Computer will analyze everything. In Aryan, what he analyzed, he want to plant his full colony. He want to plant. Okay, he need 1,000 trees. What problems are there? He just analyzed everything. Next thing, decomposition. What is in by decomposition? Decomposition means breaking a big problem into small problem. Means if you're going to solve particular work, how many problems are there? He just break big problem into small part of problem. He solved one by one. Okay. After, pattern of recognition. Pattern means what type of work we are going to do, what type of solution we are going to find. Example, when Orient started to collect information about this seedling. Okay, so if we want to plant a neem tree, okay, you want to plant a neem tree, but he is getting banyan tree. How to seedling banyan tree? So both are plant, so both are same way of procedure. So this is a pattern. This also nature, that also nature, both are trees only. How they both are means same category, the way of category. If you are going to find about material, if you're getting another substance, so material is a whatever, it is a pattern. So define, finding the which pattern you're going to solve. Next one is the abstraction. What is the abstraction? Students, abstraction means just filtering unnecessary things and focus on what is the reality main problem we are having. His problem, what the focus means, what is the real problem. By problem, we can able to get solution for 4-5 things. What is the reality? What is the, that is called abstraction. Last one is the algorithm design. Algorithm design. Algorithm means now you found the solution. How you are going to implement step by step process. It is called algorithm. See, it is a process developing a list of steps. Means step by step process is called algorithm. Okay, students, this is called computational thinking. What is computational thinking? Computational thinking means it is used to solve a complex problem in real time. Okay. So, and what are the components? Analysis, decomposition, pattern recognition, abstraction, and algorithm design. Analysis means just is analyzing what is a real problem, what needs or he need. Okay. After decomposition means is dividing his problem into small part. After pattern recognition. Okay, so he is recognizing what type of problem he is having. Okay, what type of problem. Okay, example, here we can able to see similar in the data in known as pattern recognition. Example, he want to plant a banyan tree, but he is getting a neem tree. So both planting and carrying method is same, but seed is different. So that is the way of pattern recognition. Okay. After abstraction, so what is the real problem where we have to focus? That is called abstraction. After algorithm, after finding the ways, okay, after finding the way, which way will be better and the best and easier. In that particular way, step by step implement is called algorithm design. Okay, it is called algorithm design. So these all are the 5 components how computer is solving. Tomorrow we can see some more deeply about analysis, decomposition, and pattern recognition. Okay, remaining components. Okay, this is a 5 way how computer is solving. Okay, every problem. Okay, means so it can be a programming or it can be a any puzzle, anyway. Okay, means any type of task. This is the way how computer is solving. Okay, so this is called computational thinking. Okay, computational thinking is nothing but how to solve a problem. Okay, how to solve a problem, how many ways are there to solve a problem, which way will be easier to solve a problem. Okay, so upcoming classes we will cover remaining topics.